In front of me is Cat B35 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by going into menu and launching messages. Then select or create a chat. Enter SMS section and click on Options. Now you need to select Add Attachment. And to add an audio one, choose Recorder or Music. Then pick an audio file and hit Done to add it. If you want to add a video one, select Options again. Tap on Add Attachment and select Video. Then tap on one of your videos that you wish to add and hit Done. As you can see, mine is too big, but if your video will be shorter, it will be successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!